All right, today I've got a quick one for you. The question is, why in Portal does it show a status of OK with warnings on my server when all of my backup jobs in here are showing as completed with a green check mark? Well, the answer to that is that there is a restore from another computer listed here alongside the backups, and the agent is reading every configuration file on the server for what it needs to present as a status for Portal. Well, these don't have statuses, and so the agent reads that as problematic, saying, hey, wait a minute, there's a job in here that I don't know its status, it needs investigated. Now, while the job will remain in here for as long as you let it sit, the best practice is actually to just remove it. Now, this does not remove the data from the vault. You need to make sure that that's very clear that we're not deleting any of the backup history for this job that came, in my case, the BMR regular from the server YTDC1. And usually these jobs, they get stale anyway. You do a restore from a month ago, and this server, the YT portal in my example, isn't going to know about the latest backup from yesterday if this restore from another computer was performed a month ago. So we need to remove it, and if we do need to get some updated information, we just run through the restore from another computer process again. So on the right side, for this restore from another computer, hit the select action dropdown and just select delete job. My dialog box just comes up with the one option to confirm the deletion. You could have, depending on your portal instance, a fully delete and a delete from portal only option. We want to make sure that the remove from portal is the one that's selected here. Now type in all caps confirm and then select the confirm deletion button. Once this is done and we hit the close, it will refresh the portal interface and we can see that it has been removed from the YT portal server, no longer listed there. I'll go ahead and refresh my portal screen here by clicking on the computers link or refresh the browser. And now we have that YT portal server in a completely green and OK status. And to show you the other job, I'm going to open the DC1 server, and my BMR regular job still exists under that DC1 server. And also to show that everything is still on the vault and functioning properly, I can come to the select action dropdown for this and perform a synchronize. With that completed, I'll hit close and then the select action drop down again and the history logs. Under the calendar view here, we have the synchronize, so I'll click directly on that text. We can see that it was able to connect to the vault, update all the sync entries, and make sure that the DTA DTX was all good. So this is a successful connection with the vault, that everything is good to go. Now back to my portal server here where that restore from another computer was. I do have a video on the full restore from another computer process, but the short version here is under the select action, or excuse me, the select job task dropdown. You can select restore from another computer and get that process kicked off again to be able to get the data from DC1 to portal. If you have any questions about that OK with warning status, etc., for the old restore from another computer line listed there under the agent, go ahead and drop a comment down below and we'll catch you in another video. See ya.